Hey guys, we're back in our video. Today we were out watching a football game and so we went to Babies R Us for Tyren to get a new stroller, and also at Toys R Us, like what was right beside it, I got a squishy Durrr burger. It's so cool. It's nice to squeeze, it feels good, and it's smooth. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, I think. There's like the little sesame things on his head. So I'm just gonna go up to my room to show you the drawing. It's nice. The thing I don't like about my door is that it doesn't just open. You gotta hit it open. So my drawing of the Durrr burger, it's right there. It's only the scratch mark on the pump. And yeah, we're gonna get the little llama, but then I changed my mind, so I didn't want it. But yeah, this is good enough. It's so cool. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like it. And yeah. Oh yeah, I'll make a whole series of Elf on the Shelf, like where he is. Tyren, come. Come on. Tyren, go. Where is he? Okay. Tyren. Cheese! Look, Tyren likes it as well. Tyren, you want a few? Tyren, look, it's just you. Are you trying to hide? Are you playing tricks? Did you find your block? Tyren. Why are you yelling into your bottle lid? Okay. Well, hope you guys enjoyed seeing the squishy. It's just like a little fidget toy, basically. Well, yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Tyren, say bye. Oh, and now you're saying bye when you're all the way over there. Tyren, say bye. Tyren, go wave bye. I still see you. There, he's trying to say. Okay, you said bye if you guys heard. Okay, bye.